money can keep you happy short time. Name can keep you short time. But if you learn something from inside, you can happy, much happier than before. Really. Because I'm so famous in China. People say, oh, JD, I'm frustrated. I'm only in China. I need to be Asia power. Then I tried very hard in the 80s. Then I'm very famous in Asia. And everybody cheating, wow, you're a hero. I said, no good. I only make 20 million Hong Kong dollars. Look, America, they make 20 million US dollars. I need to be better. Then I go to America. I try so hard. Then I make something happen. Then I say, wow, no, finally I got it. Hollywood movie, I proved I can do it. Then I look at the other people, they just make a call. Buy this stock market, afternoon, sell this stock market, they make 50 million. They're suffering, wow. I'm so stupid. I use my body, I try so hard. Million people look me like a hero, but I look me as so stupid. That people just sit in there, they have a good education, they just make a call, so that they make money. Terrible life. You know, because of the whole education, we want to go out, learn more power, more name, you know. Everything more. So what's the more?
So when I was young, in my hometown, Samagaon, my hometown from the Gorkha, next to Manasilu, Samagaon, and sometimes we can see magazine, magazine about the Paris, about the USA. I look at that in the picture. I said, wow, this is like God realm.
God realm.
Yeah.
God house.
People must be very happy. We are in the mountain, may not be happy, maybe they are very happy. So then, first time I went to France when I was 21 years old. I arrived in Paris. Then there's a tall tower called Eiffel Tower. Mm-hmm. I went up there. Very nice view. But everywhere there's a iron bar. And the window totally closed. And I asked them, why is it not open here? Because it's a nice view and we can see many places. And they said they cannot open because people sometimes jump. Then I feel shocked. Really? It's like God ram here. Why they're not happy? So then later I discovered monkey mind doesn't change. The material thing, as Mr. Lee mentioned, the fame, not satisfying. More. Whatever you get, even you become the top, still not happy. What we call hollow inside, that's not satisfying. Dissatisfaction or incompleteness is always there. But then how we can be more happy? So 3 things: awareness, love and compassion, wisdom that can satisfy, that can connect with your fundamental quality. Then you will have lasting happiness.
I just think about who's the happiest guy? Even Bill Gates, he's, lost a lot of billions, economy drop. He's unhappy. Who's the happiest guy? Then look at the book. Then I thought, wow, there is the guy called the Shakyamuni Buddha.
Oh, Shakyamuni Buddha.
Yeah, everybody want to more power, famous, more 情啊, more love. He's the princess. He will be the king. He have all the power, right? Then he have all money. Everybody, the whole country money is his. You can say that. Then he love a lot of girls. No problem. Don't need to hide. Today, rich people, you need to hide. Yeah. You love one, it's okay. If you love 5, you need to hide them. So they're not free. And what if he's suffering? He's suffering. This is all the human want to be princess, be the king. Then he's suffering. Why he's suffering? Then I read the whole thing. Then he said, I have that power, for major power. I cannot well, I also need to die old. I cannot change that. So that's a very serious question. Then he tried to study it. 6 years later, he said, I find how to be real happy. I said, wow. Then 2,500 years, a lot of people study this journey. They'll be happy. They're not stupid. King, a lot of successful people study that. What did he study? I want to figure out. Then I just tried full time, most of my life to learn what he learned, what he shared with us. That's my journey.